Okay guys, I peeked on Facebook Marketplace. What I found, I will never find again. Don't mind my curtains, those need to go. But this piece did get a little banged up in transit. A little scraped there, a little scraped there. But I haven't fully set it up yet, so ignore my styling. Pretty sure this is where you put a record cabinet. This also comes up. And now these two cabinet boxes that are on the bottom, I'm pretty sure can get hooked up wherever I wanted on the wall unit. Like, I don't have to have them on the bottom here. It is all teak. All of these shelves can be adjusted. Now let me show you this other side. It's literally gorgeous, in immaculate condition, besides what was damaged in transit. I paid $200 for this, plus the $125 delivery. And that included all the other stuff I'm about to show you too. And this is just the first thing I got on this haul. Now here's one of the dressers that I got. So as you can see, it did get pretty scratched up. So I am going to fix that pretty soon. But I absolutely love the legs on it. The top is in incredible shape. HG Furniture, Denmark. Not sure what 167 means, but it almost looks like these could hook onto a wall unit too somewhere, but I'm not sure. But isn't it stunning? So if you thought the other one was crazy, look at this one. Probably all gonna die at how I unload this too. This is a teak dresser made by Niels Johnson, I might be pronouncing that wrong, for HJN Mobler. And all of the markings are on the back. It is in incredible condition. Like, I don't feel like these people ever used their furniture. There's one small chip there, which might have happened in transit, but it literally just needs a dust and maybe some like re-oil. But oh my goodness, isn't it incredible? Here's the small little chip. That will be super easy to fix. The top is just a little dry. All of the markings, HJN Mobler, made in Denmark. The legs, gorgeous base. I paid like $75 for this, plus the delivery. Now this is the last thing the guy brought. His bar cart, $30, all teak. No markings on it. It does need to be dusted pretty well and maybe oiled. Look at it, $30 plus delivery. So like I said, still a little dusty. Crazy. I got the following for $850 and I audibly gasped. These are my chairs. I have 7 of them. 3 of them are already in our house. So the other 4 are out here until I find a purpose for them, and they are authentic. Teak in incredible condition. Stunning. So this is the one that I think might have been the original upholstery, and then it was redone with this to maybe kind of mimic what the original upholstery looked like. I'm not sure. Show you what is underneath the chair. Made in Scandinavia for Nordic Trends, Inc. What do you think? Crazy, right? So now here's the coffee table that I got. I don't even know how much I paid for this, maybe $50. It's also teak. This one might be solid teak, to be honest. Doesn't have any made in Denmark markings on it like the other pieces, but it does have all of the same like screws, hardware, construction. It's definitely authentic. Gorgeous, isn't it? Now this one might be the craziest part of the entire haul. Please excuse any weird noises you might hear. I have a little monster under this chair. Westnofa furniture made in Norway. This is an authentic siesta chair. No rips at all in the leather. It just needs to be conditioned, which I'll do soon. And it is so incredibly comfy. Last thing here is the bookcase. This is in my son's room. Also in incredible condition. No scratches, chips, nothing. Like, all it needed to be was dusted. So it fits right into his closet. I put some of his stuffies and his little jelly cat collection here for now, but what a haul.